Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 94. We have studied the last lesson, the 3D shapes. Do you remember? We have studied the sphere and the cone, square base pyramid, cylinder, cube, and rectangular prism. So first let's start with our daily math challenge. The daily math challenge is the problem that you answer in your math journal. Open your math journal to lesson 94. Try to answer 35 plus 20 using place value method. Do you remember the place value method? Okay, we put it vertically, the big number up and the small number down. Here in addition, it doesn't matter who's up and who's down. So it will be 35 up plus 20 down equals how many? You will add the ones and then add the tens. Try to answer it by yourself in your math journal. Here, open to lesson 94 and write it in the top part. Okay? It will become 15, okay? Okay, keep your math journal open. This lesson we only will answer the math journal. The bottom or the down part in this page, you will see write the name of three-dimensional shape. I will give you here some pictures and I want you to think of the 3D shape you see in this picture and write the name of the shape and draw it, okay? I will answer the first one only with you and you will answer the rest at home. Let's start. Shape number 1. I have a dice. So what shall you do? You will go to your math journal under shape number 1 and you will draw what you see here. Excellent, it's a cube. So you will write cube and then you will draw a cube. I will give you pictures for each shape and you will do like what I have done here. Shape number 2, I have a book. 3, pyramid. 4, paper towels. 5, bowl. 6, cone. It's a cone for the party. You will look for each shape and you will draw the 3D shape that look like this object, okay? And you will write the name of the 3D shape. Lesson 95, we will do again a daily math challenge. Open your math journal. I want you to do 47 plus 40 using place value 2. Don't forget. You will do it vertically, add the ones and then add the tens in the math journal. Open to lesson 95. I will teach you something new today. We will make 3D shapes using papers, okay? So if I have a cube and I open it like this, you will find that it has many squares. Let's count. If you count them, you will find 6 squares because the cube have 6 faces. So if I want to make a cube, I will get a paper and cut it like this to 6 squares and then I fold it to give me a cube. When I open the cube, I call it unfolded. So you unfold it. When you get it back to a cube, you fold it. 6 faces, all of them are squares. Okay, here we will talk about the rectangular prism. It has rectangles or squares. If I open it, I'll find that like this. They are also 6 faces. So you can do it using paper. If we are talking about a prism, a cylinder. If I open a cylinder, we have discussed this in the previous lesson, And I've told you that the cylinder is a curved side, which is a rectangle, and two circles. So if you want to make it with paper, you will need a rectangle and you will curve it and then put two circles as in the top and bottom as faces. What else we can do with paper? We can do a square based pyramid. It has 4 triangles for the 4 sides, 4 triangular faces, 2, okay, and it has a base which is square. So I have 1 square face and 4 triangles. I think you can do it at home. I want you to give me a model of one of the 3D shapes using paper. Can you do it?